Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today we're going to talk about how you can resize elements in the Wix Studio Editor. The first way you can do it is to simply select your element and simply drag the side handles according to how big or small you'd like your chosen element to be. As for media elements such as photos or videos, make sure to lock the aspect ratio so the width and height stay proportional. You can do so by clicking on the said element. And over here on the inspector panel, click the lock icon or the lock aspect ratio icon. Doing that will lock its aspect ratio. And then once you resize it, you can resize it the same way by dragging the side handles, but as you resize it, it stays proportional. And just like that. That's how you resize elements in the Wix Studio Editor. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.